how to make multiple PayPal accounts. It is possible, it is not possible. Let's find out now. So, first of all, I will pass the information on my computer, but it's the same information to your phone too. I searched a little bit and I found the answer on the official PayPal website, okay? Here, the question is, can I have multiple PayPal accounts? And the answer is, you can have one personal account and one business account, okay? You must register each account with an unique email address. So, if you already have a personal account, you can only have one account, a business account. So to make this, you need to come on paypal.com, you need to click right here, Sync Up, and you will see two options. If you already have a personal account, you create a business account. And if you already have a business account, you need to create a personal account. So select, click Get Started, and put out your informations, okay? Make the caption, and put your informations to create your account, okay? Like the first account you created. I hope I helped you how to create multiple accounts on PayPal. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive our footsteps.